So, if you can't find your Capcut projects, don't panic, they're almost always still there. First, open Capcut Desktop on your computer. On the home screen, look for Home or My Projects. This is where Capcut stores all projects saved locally. If your project shows up here, just click it and you're good to go. If it's not showing, let's dig a little bit deeper. On Windows, open your File Explorer and go to Documents. Find a folder called Capcut. Inside this folder, you'll usually find a projects folder, and each folder inside represents a Capcut project. If you don't see it, enable hidden items, press Windows plus R, and in this text box, type app data and press OK. Now go to Local, and inside of here, find Capcut. If your project still isn't there, it may not have been saved locally or could be tied to a different account. Always make sure you save your projects and back it up to avoid losing edits again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.